So the last part of today is super simple. It just has to do with using your calculator. So the issue is when we use trig functions on our calculator is that sometimes our calculators are in the wrong mode. So what you have to do is, this is the really hard part of virtual teaching, is I don't know what kind of calculator you have, but there should be some sort of setting on a TI, it's under mode. And you need to make sure that your calculator is set in degrees and not radians. Radians are different, they have to do with circles. You want to make sure that your calculator is in degrees. When you do that, you are going to be able to solve for these trig functions without, just by pressing buttons. So the first one says sine of 52. So on your calculator, and this is even on the iPhone, you should have a button that says sin, S-I-N. You're going to click that button. It's going to say sin and then give you a parentheses. You'll plug in 52, close the parentheses. When you do that, you should get 0.79. If you got anything other than 0.79, it's either an issue with how you punched in the buttons or with how your calculator is set. If you can't figure out what that problem is, please call me so that I can walk you through it, because it's just so hard because there's so many different calculators to make sure that you're set right. You're going to try a couple and we'll go over them just to make sure you're good.